Verbal communication is a skill that refers to an individual's ability to express themselves clearly and effectively through spoken words. In a world that relies heavily on communication, verbal communication has become an essential skill for success. In both personal and professional contexts, verbal communication involves a combination of speaking and listening, along with the ability to articulate thoughts and ideas in a clear and concise manner. Individuals with strong verbal communication skills are often able to build strong relationships with others, influence and persuade others, and communicate effectively in a variety of situations. Developing verbal communication skills involves a combination of active listening, effective speaking, and the ability to adapt communication style to different audiences. By cultivating verbal communication skills, individuals can better express themselves, build strong relationships with others, and achieve success in both personal and professional contexts. It is your turn to speak. 3, 2, 1, go! Great job! Comment, subscribe, or contact me at this number. Bye!